One of the reasons why many people are scared about AI taking over our jobs is precisely for tools like this. And so today you're going to be discovering PostPal, which is an AI-powered tool which claims to automate your social media post directly from your website. So you bought your website, we analyze everything, design, fonts, images, content, then we generate meaningful posts that save you hours. And so every company or every brand has to create social media posts to promote its brand and kind of grow in popularity and attract customers and all. And so today you're having tools which are kind of popping up from left to right, which promise to automate this whole process. You have to keep in mind that this process of social media posting and all involves recruiting a whole bunch of people or a whole bunch of teams. Sometimes entire companies are dedicated towards this, promoting the brand of a specific organization or company or person. And so inside those companies, you can find community managers, you can find graphic designers, you can find brand ambassadors, and many, many other things. And so this tool, if it's able to do what it promises, then it is going to eliminate all of those jobs entirely. So if from just a single website, an AI tool is able to generate meaningful social media posts for a brand or for a company, then, those jobs are really at risk because there's no need to recruit people to do those anymore. But so far, that's not really a major threat because brands are very much different and people have requirements which cannot be sometimes articulated or which don't necessarily go in a specific direction. So those jobs are still safe for now that AI is just kind of robotic or kind of going in one direction. So those jobs are safe for now, but these tools are really, really scary. Like, well, I'm not say scary, but they're really, really interesting and putting those jobs at risk. And so let's see kind of what this tool promises to do. Keep in mind that this tool isn't yet perfect. Like, they make a lot of promises, but I don't think they are very efficient at those yet. So everybody just slap the word AI on whatever tool they are building, and that's the hype now. So what does the tool promise to do? So from prompt to platform ready copy. So product launch, you can launch your products, you can create creator coaching, sensational offer, and basically you can generate posts for multiple platforms. The platforms that they currently support: Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and X. So those are the platforms they currently support. And you can see, for example, with the different prompts, you can see the posts they are going to generate. For example, on TikTok, they're going to generate this content. You batch a month of posts in 15 minutes and show quick cuts. So basically, they're going to generate those cuts. And I'm guessing that they're going to generate images for Instagram, videos for TikTok, and maybe posts and images for LinkedIn, and so on and so forth. So how PostPal helps you post consistently? Give us your website and we do the rest. We analyze your design and do all of that. Paste your URL, we analyze your design. PostPal learns your brand voice, generates posts that match your brand perfectly. Edit anything you like, then schedule everything. So create once and adapt everywhere. And so in the current system or in the current atmosphere or environment of social media, posting consistently has become the norm. In order to grow your brand, you have to post consistently. And so this is what this tool is trying to do: post consistently for you so that your brand can easily grow. So what they promise is your complete brand extracted in seconds, brand colors, font, and all, and so on and so forth. So why I wouldn't use such a tool isn't because it doesn't work, but it is more because AI or AI generated contents are still very much robotic, right? They are in a certain way, they function like kind of this robotic feel to it. And so they can't really generate fresh new content, which is kind of creative and which is kind of diverse. And so if you just rely on such tools to generate your posts, then your page is going to be bloated with just some kind of robotic and generic content, which our users are going to feel bored about. But rather, what the type of content that really gets people engaged are content which deviate from the norm, which are kind of different, go in different directions, and really play on current trends. But I wouldn't really exclude these tools right off the bat because they are just going to get better and better with time. The more, if they really use AI as well, the more they get used to the environment, the more they gather data, and the better they are going to be as tools. So let's keep an eye out for these tools, and hopefully we can still keep our jobs as marketers and community managers in the future. So check this tool out at postpal.life and maybe give it a try and see if it matches your needs. And so I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.